Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well, and it is another Luke's World. I believe it's anti-TV video. We're always today, man.
Stourbridge, we walked in the switch on.
Yes, we are. So yeah, I'm going to show you on the stalls. You know,
do some fair rides.
Just some fair rides as well, and a few other bits. So yeah, let's get into it.
Dreams time. Dreams time.
Try again. Here we go, guys.
Try it again, girly man.
Very good. Very, very good. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, so this is in Stourbridge. We got Leicester, Nottingham, Dudley, Birmingham, Worcester, Warsaw, Wolverhampton, Coventry as well. Very good. Few more minutes on this, then we'll go to a different location. Well, I mean, somewhere else, not a different location. You know what I mean. So, there's some lovely socks, you know. What else we got? More socks. This is like the... That's cool. Some calendars for 2025. Other stuff. Some melts there, very good. Some warm coats for ladies, not men. Some like cups and different stuff. The burger van, so you can have some burgers and sorry, that's a donut, actually not donut van, sorry. This is the burger van over here. Here's the burger van, look. There I am cooking away. Very good. Burgers and hot dogs there. What's this? Crafty with Harry. It's very good. Nice stalls. Oh, I like that one. Santa and the reindeers. Darth Vader. Some makeup. Very good, like some football teams in there as well. Like the Stourbridge Albion and that. Very good. Some more toys and stuff to go on your wall. Very good. Sweets. Like this is like, well, face painting. No, so a lot of face painting. So sorry, mate. Cakes. Let's go a bit film this. don't get too much because of the copyright, but that's my way to do it. So let's go over here. Good up, this way up, go see. There we go. I will film the Grinch later on, but I can't see the Grinch. Hang on, is the Grinch over here? Let's go back over here. But I keep talking loudly because copyright. So yeah, let's find the Grinch now. So don't keep singing. Shut, song, shut. Song, be quiet. Song, be quiet. Be quiet. We need copyright. This video needs to go out to everyone on YouTube. Shut up now. I've no idea where the Grinch is. I just saw the Grinch, but don't know where it's gone. Where's the Grinch? Don't know where the Grinch has gone, guys. Sorry about this. Where's the Grinch? I need to see the Grinch. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, damn it, I lost the Grinch. Lost him. I can't lose the Grinch. It's literally just looking green and red. Look at that.
At 5 a.m. for early breakfast.
Merry Christmas, Stourbridge. Merry Christmas. I'll go back there with his songs again. Yeah, so I have no idea. Nearly fell over there. I have no idea where the Grinch has gone. Yeah, no idea where the Grinch has gone, but I will find him later on for you guys. Yeah, there's a funhouse over here, so have a look at the funhouse. Quick look. Winning everywhere today. Someone with a hat on. Here's the funhouse, look. Pirates of the Caribbean. Very good. Very nice, fun ride for kids, you know. As soon as I see the Grinch, I will go back over there and I'll shake his hand like this. Yeah, you like Grinch. But until that time, I have no idea where he's gone. You know. So hopefully we can find the Grinch and shake his hand. Yeah. This is Stourbridge 2024. So yeah. Don't know. Sorry. It's crowded around here now. No idea where the Grinch is. So, but you will see the Grinch in this video. You will see him. I did see him, but I've lost him. So I should have gone up to him when I saw him, but I didn't think, you know. But all I can say is that the Grinch is here today. There is songs up there, but I can't stay up there for too long because of the copyright music of Elton John, maybe Shakin' Stevens, and a few other bits. People look at me weird. Yeah. There's all the Christmas stuff. Now I think I filmed all these stores around here, didn't I? Well, a few of them. I think there's like still loads going on, so I will. The stuff I missed out, I will film just in case I miss stuff out. But you know, people still coming. Good. I don't know why. YouTube channel, guys. Look on Linden TV. Go and check it out. Back to the streets. Oh, hey, this is bubblegum. Very nice. Yeah, mate. I was just saying to people, Merry Christmas, and put a happy smile on your face because it's Christmas, not. But I mean, you know, let's be miserable Christmas Day. It's true. It's true. It is true. It is very, very true. I mean, Jesus. It's all crowded. Where did she come from? It's all crowded. I can't get in there. I can't get in. Oh no, doggy. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's still work. Whoa, a bit too close then, wasn't it? My camera's out of focus. Oh, there's stuff going on down here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Don't know why I'm singing anymore. Listen to that noise. Listen to it. Awesome. Is there people in there? Oh, there is. There's film that. Oh, you're alright. You're alright. Who down here with? Dave? Who? Dave? Dave? Where is he? Just my uncle. Very good. Tell you what, we'll go up here, have a quick look, go back down, I'll film some more stuff for you. Merry Christmas. That's what we need more people in these places saying Merry Christmas to YouTubers. Why isn't there people saying Merry Christmas to YouTubers? I have no blooming idea because I'm all miserable. Miserable, that's what they are. Miserable. Absolutely miserable. Let's go down this little cutting down here, see if there's any Christmas stuff. If there's not, then I have no idea what to do. We're doing this live. I'm not joking, I'm not doing it live. It's doing me a video. There is. Should I go in that little market that's still in here? Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Haha, Santa. An inflatable Santa. Look at this. Very good. There we go. Let's go off here because the kids running around, so I want to film that bit. So, right. Not that many. There's choice shops around here, but obviously, where should I go now then? Which way should we go, guys? Let's go up here. There's lights up here. Let's have a look at them lights. Oh, pardon me. See what they look like. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going, but we'll figure it out together, you know. I'll look at these Christmas lights here. No, it's the end of the road. So we'll go back down, head back down to the high street. Keep looking at me again, yes, because fucking man, boy with the fucking camera, fucking hell. I mean, people who look at the cameras. I've got a YouTube channel. I don't need to keep explaining it to people, but I always have to. But these ones, she just over there, back there, just staring. So, liven up. Keep staring. It's Christmas, guys. Cheer the hell up. I was just about 24 days. Jesus, it's going so quick. Slow it down a bit, you know. Jesus. Felt like yesterday. Can't hear you. Ugh. It's a lovely sound. Absolutely lovely sound. Oh, stinks on here. Stinks on here, guys. Sorry. There's stores around here as well, so from these. Very good. Empty ones as well. Do you know where the Grinch is? Where's the Grinch? Where's the Grinch? Ah, Christmas. What's this? Appointments for all colour. Oh, no, mine. For that. Why should I care about that? Right. Oh, is it a chippy? Eh? Christmas. Join us for a festive event. I'll pass on that. I'll pass on that. Thank you, but thank you for asking. I'll pass. Right. I'll get back to you when I see the Grinch. See you in a bit.
Welcome to the Bird Adventure Funhouse. It's fun for all the family. Shivery timbers. Funhouse, it's fun for all the family. Shivery timbers.
Hello. Hello again. Hello, hello. Whee! Whee! Ring the bell, ring the bell. There we go, there we go. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell, come on. Ring the bell, good boy. There we go. Yay! Leicester, Dudley, Birmingham, Worcester, Coventry. Whee! Wolverhampton, Walsall. This is in the Stourbridge Mall Centre, and yeah, here's all the Christmas lights. These look really, really nice. Yeah, look absolutely brilliant. Look at that. Brilliant. Goes down for a bit, and this is the last one. Yeah. Oh, so this is the window of CX, all Christmas stuff. Look at that TV. 60 quid for the TV. Okay. And yeah, very, very good. Some Xbox controllers. Another TV for £90. Very nice. Brilliant. And by the way guys, this is not the Stourbridge Christmas tree. There is another Christmas tree outside, I think. But yeah, look at this. In the centre. Absolutely fantastic. There is one in Merry Hill, so we'll do that very soon for you guys as well, the Merry Hill one. But yeah, look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Lovely.
Oh guys, just come back from all of the festivities. It's amazing.
And please keep the speed up. That's really good. And yeah, we had a fantastic night. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video with my brother. If you did, hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. And we'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye guys. Have a good one.